Hi everyone and good morning. Thanks for joining me today for my AliExpress haul, and I have a great big container of goodies. Now all of these items are from one seller. The link will be in the description below to go to this seller's store. I'm not going to list everything. This package came today and everything in here, the whole lot, was under £12. It was £11 something. And that's with postage. So all of this was under £12 with postage. So let me show you what I have. Look at all this delicious yumminess. So we have 500 little mini pom-poms. Great for the kids, great for projects, and they are £1.46 for 500 of these little, and they're really sparkly and lots of different colours and really a lot of fun to put on your project. So that's the first thing. And then we have 300 small satin roses. They are £2.06 for the 300. I'm not going to get them all out, but I'll show you some of them. Look at those. Look, don't we just love to put little satin roses on our projects? Look. So there's 300 for £1 and no, sorry, £2.06. Now I have some pearl trim. Excuse me. This one is 5 yards for £1.31, and look how much you get. Look, no, Charles, stop it. Before he stop it. Look at all of this that you get for £1.31. So really you only need a little bit on a project, you know, even if you was doing a card. Look how much. Let me just move this camera back because he's moved it and he's trying to eat it now. No, you can't stop it. Eat it. Look at this, just gorgeous for your projects. I don't know what I've done, but it's gone out of focus now. That's you, Charles. See, you're being a pain. So 5 yards for £1.31 of that, and I'm never going to get that back in the packet, am I? And then we have this. Which one have we got here? Beaded Dangle. There's 2 yards of this one, and this one is £1.05. If you can get into the packet, and it is what it says. It's just pearl dangle trim. Look at this. Look. Oh, look at that. Delicious. There's 2 yards of that one. So, you know, again, you'd only need a little bit on a project. I don't know if this is out of focus, but I'm hoping it's not. I think he's done something to my camera. I don't know what he's done. But anyway, that's the dangle trim. And then we have this one, which is the pearl string, which is £1.08. Oh, hang on, which one have we got here? Right, I've got 2 different pearl trims. I think this one is £1.08 for 5 yards. These are like little flowers. I mean, look how much you actually get. I mean, just a great big handful of lovely trim. Stop eating it. And then there's this one, which I think is about the same, £1 and something. I didn't write the price down for this one. And it is this lovely, I don't really want to get it all out, but you can see what it actually is. These little bauble-y things on a string. Very pretty. So £1 and something that was. Not 100% sure what that one was. Now look at these. You get a bag of, no, I'm not sure. These are 100 flowers for £2.07, and there's a variety of different. These are just beautiful. Look at these. Look at the stop it now, monkey boy. Different flowers you get in here. Just, I love this one. This is a gorgeous flower. Excuse my nails, they are disgusting. And you've got little pearl flowers, pearl satin ones little. Why is that not going in focus? There you go. And then you've got these pink ones. So you would get a variety, 100 different, an assortment of 100 different flowers. There are just so many different ones in here, as you can see. Look at this one. This one is just, oh, look at that. And there's even like a bow in here as well. I don't know how that, it's not a flower, but most of these are little flowers, but there are some bows. And they're just an assortment of flowers. So you get 100 for £2.07. And I just love these. A lot of the satin roses as well. And you've got these little diamantes on. Oh, there you go. It's not picking up for some reason today. I do not know. I think it's that naughty Charles who's been a bit of a pain. And then we have these leaves, which are right, 100 leaves for £1.11, and they're in lots of different colours as well. And they're just these lovely satin sort of effect leaves for your projects. I love the brown ones, but the green ones are cute as well. So you get 100 of these. Whoops, I've dropped one on the floor now. Different leaves for your projects. Oh, it's all over Charlie's head now. That's why I need my box to put all these in, because they're going all rogue now and end up all over the place. Then we have this lace, which is 5 yards for 77p, and I've got the pink one, the grey one, and the white one, and they're just this lovely decorative lace trim. Like I said, I've got white, grey, and pink, and they were 77p for 5 yards. Is that right? 5 yards, yeah. So more lace for my thing. And then we have this last one, which are lace appliques, and you get 30, and they're £1.07. And you just get an assortment, and they're just gorgeous appliques, flower appliques. Some really beautiful ones in here. I particularly like that one. Oops, but you've got a lovely assortment. There's 30 different ones in here. That's nice as well, isn't it? As you can see, some are a little bit bent, but you can flatten them out. Love that colour one. Love that one. The gold and the brown. There's some little ones, some purple ones. I mean, obviously you might get a different assortment because they're just 30 different pieces. And you've put my bit of paper on the floor, little monkey. So all of these are from one seller. Everything you see on the table here, but I just wanted to show you, I also got these cat charms, and they're 12 pieces for 75p, and these are from a different seller, but I will put a link in the description below. But these turned up today as well, and they're just little cute cat charms, if you can see them. Look at those. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. These are going on my cat journal. They're going to be cute little dingle dangles on my cat journal. Right, so they can go in there. And I got them in silver as well, if I can find them. There's Charlie's on them. So I did also get them in silver as well, if you can see. Look so cute. So that's my excuse me, Aliexpress haul for today. And look, he's being a little monkey. Like, look at his little feet. Look, his little feet. He's just hanging. You're so naughty. You're a naughty boy. Your mummy's naughty boy. Look, his little tail as well. He's just being a little terror today. So that's my Aliexpress haul. Lots of yummy flowers, trim, appliques. Too much yumminess is going to go all in my box. I'm trying to be tidy. So I will put a link in the description below for the store for most of these things, and also for the cat charms. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, and we shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.